Hello everyone, good morning. I'm on top of our lovely early years building to welcome you all to week 6. And for this video, I've taken inspiration from our Letters and Sounds program. Letters and Sounds is a UK-based phonics program that we use here all through our early years and beyond into our elementary program. Now, two very important skills in our Letters and Sounds program that our students learn from their first days in our early years program are the skills of segmenting and blending. When we segment a word, we split a word into its phonemes or sounds. So segmenting will be s, e, g, m, e, n, t, I, n. And the second skill is blending. When we blend a word, we take the sounds or phonemes of a word and blend them together to make a word. So b, o, e, n, d, I, n becomes blending. So today, this morning, we're going to start the week by practicing our segmenting and blending. I'm going to segment some words and you're going to try to blend them. So hold on. This week, coming up, on Monday, our grade 11 students and our PYP 3 to 5 students are taking part in some exams. That's right, exams. Our grade 11s are doing their ANBK exams and our PYP 3 to 5 students are doing their PAIS. Got that one right. On Wednesday, our high school students and parents are taking part in a workshop. A workshop. A workshop are about universities and careers. My advice is choose wisely. On Thursday, some of our PYP and high school students are travelling all the way to Bangkok to take part in the global round of the Cup. That's a long one. The World Scholars Cup. So good luck to our PYP and high school students. Finally, on Friday, our senior girls and boys teams will be taking part in some friendly matches of football. You got that one. Football. Okay. To finish off, let me say to you all, I'll stop there. Make it a great week.